Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable notifications for emergency alerts on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your notification settings. Begin by opening Twitter and locating your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it. Then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to the left-hand column and find the Web Notifications option. Click on it to proceed. Within the Notification Types menu, locate and click on Preferences. Here you'll find the Push Notifications section. Select it to manage your notification preferences. Scroll down to find the section labeled From Twitter and look for the option Crisis and Emergency Alerts. Uncheck the box next to it to disable these notifications. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the designated button at the bottom of the page. Your settings are now updated and you won't receive emergency alerts from Twitter on your PC. By following these steps, you can tailor your Twitter notification settings to suit your preferences and avoid being inundated with emergency alerts. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.